Is another propaganda from China. Authorities have denied a report from China that Filipino fishermen were harassing Chinese fishermen in the West Philippine Sea. In a report by Chinese state media CGTN, Chinese fishermen claimed that Filipino fishermen used poison and electric nets in Scarborough Shoal. The report also accused the Philippines of provoking maritime incidents in disputed waters. The Philippine Navy dismissed these accusations as deceptive messaging. Fishermen's Grupa Malacaya also rejected the claims and called them baseless.
Walang batayan at naglulubid ng kasinungalingan. Walang kapasidad ang mga mahingisdang Pilipino na gawin ng mga Chinese fishermen yung paratang nila. Ang konklusyon ko dito ay para baliktarin yung ginagawa nila sa mga Filipino fishermen.
Actually,
first of all, tignan mo muna yung kagamitan ng Filipino fishermen sa Chinese. Nakita mo ba yung boats na ginagamit ng Chinese fishermen? Ang lalaki compared tayo mga bangka at kahoy. Diba? Tapos number two, based on the actual video, wag na natin lagyan ng commentary yung video. Based on actual video, sino ba yung namamangga at nambubutas ng barko? Diba? Sino? Diba, nakakairita na kayo?
Tsaka, diba, yun nga, meron ba kayong video that will support your claim?
Actually, they have videos
that mga Pilipino ang... Kaso, yun
they splice eh. They splice
pero
and
hindi,
edit.
I don't think they can splice yung sinasabi nilang may explosion, may electronic nets, diba?
Ay, ano yung video mo? May video ka na naglalagay tayo electronic net, diba?
Oo.
Ano ba naman electronic?
Parang well, yun na nga sinasabi natin, diba? Parang hindi na to bago dun sa mga nangyayari sa Pilipinas, especially dun sa mga fishermen natin doon. The other day, if I'm not mistaken, or some days ago, diba, nagkaroon din ng water cannoning incident.
Yeah.
Yung Chinese Coast Guard nagbato ng water cannon sa sa mga BFAR officials, no, kasi they were doing a maritime supply mission doon sa mga mangingisda doon. Although it was successful naman, pero still, 'di ba, on the way there while navigating the seas, mayroong mga bumabato ng water cannon sa kanila because according dito sa Chinese Coast Guard we're violating their laws daw.
Pero, sige, mahabang issue pa yan. Actually, matagal yan bago mawala. I don't think it takes one administration is gonna extend further. But